Hi traders, here we are on our live trading session weekly update. We're going to be taking a look at the 8 instruments which involves crypto, commodities and indexes and currencies. We're going to be looking at our open positions as well as our closed positions on why we took them and how we are trade managing them. This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Stu Upon here, founder of Master the Markets Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are, traders, on our live trading session weekly update. I'm going to quickly take a look at crypto, the Bitcoin to begin with. We have an open position at the moment. In terms of Bitcoin, we're taking a long order. And we've been on it since when this blue line is at 26086, stop loss being for the low. Okay, we took this on a combination of the 4-hour and the daily entry towards capturing that weekly phase 2 to turn into a weekly phase 1 move. Okay, for those of you who want to see why we took all of that, how we've been taking, you can go on to our channel, Master the Markets 2010, okay, on TradingView, and you can then see as how we would have talked about it in our previous live trading sessions on why we're taking it and updating it as we go along. You see, Bitcoin third attempt, is it going to hold? And all of that we track in real time, not just in hindsight, in real time. So that's how you can see and track our updates. So we've been on this much more earlier. So since like on the 24th, 25th of September, we've been looking at this. So at the moment, what are we doing? We are trailing our stop loss now. Why? So let me go through that. So what we have done here, if you take a look on the daily, we saw a swing low position over here with the VSA light indicator showing also green to hold on to the position. So we are trailing our stop to the last daily low. Okay, so that's what we're doing at 25976 traders. Okay, almost breaking even. So see how that carries on to be. Now, in terms of our target, we are placing it at 2905. Now, how do we get that target? We got it from the open equity tables over here. Okay, so basically placed there for 65% probability of being hit. Okay, so that's how we have been taking it. So 0.58 here is what we went for, and then we converted that into points and we got our target. Okay, we just got to be also very cautious of this level here, because at that point then the whole um, trend will change on the weekly time frame as well to a downtrend. Okay, so we'll be careful of that level of 24756 as well. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. Right, now swiftly moving on to the next crypto, which is Ethereum. What we are taking a look, traders, is we're looking for continuation moves over here at the moment. So this is what we call a downtrend, phase 2 at the moment, right, with the bottom being confirmed at this point here. Now, in terms of taking a look at that, will this become a top is the question. Carry on more further down. According to the VSA light indicator designed by the Trade Guided team by Gavin Holmes and his team, it is still showing down, so we can hold on to it if you're on a short position. However, if you want to take a new position on a phase 1, I'll wait for this bar high to be taken out. That's what we will be waiting for in terms of a higher probability move. But if it's a really strong bearish move, it won't take out that high and will continue on further down. But we'll play the waiting game on this one, so we'll wait and see in terms of Ethereum how it carries on. So as of now, we're not doing anything of there. Gold, on the other hand, we did take a position over here, traders, in 27 September. This was live and we took it, and then we also showed it to you guys also in terms of our um, Master the Markets channel too. So we took a look at 239 and 240 on the gold positions over here. This was the one that you guys should be looking at, where we took it live and we rode it all the way. Where did we get out the exits is what's critical, right? So we took a look over here in terms of the exits, and we took for daily top confirmed for second position. That's what we took. Live exit, we took it on the weekly close. So when we had this big seller bar here, this is where we took our profits out. Okay, now in terms of that, from our entry, that's the profit that we made. In terms of risk, that's to the stop loss at £1,000 risk, and you can see live exit 52.16 points. At 1,000 risk, we made about £1,620. Now, looking on the daily time frame, let me take a look over here. So this will make it a bit more clearer for you guys. So that's how the trade position was, coming in at the close of this and riding it all the way to the close of that weekly bar. Okay, and coming out of it this week. Now, in terms of the previous losses, we took two positions. Small loss, we kept it small, 54 and 233, and this one here overriding all those losses on gold. Okay, great. And we took this also on the round the clock as well, and in live in front of the people over there. Another strategy position that we took, just based on daily time frame, intraday time frame basis as well. Once you understand, traders, the smart money framework and the cycle methodology using the smart money indicator, you all get much more clearer. That's why I highly recommend you guys go to our channel, Master the Markets 2010. Follow us. First thing you need to start doing is watch our Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course. Watch that. Put that URL link into the website address, and then just register for it. Register just like this. Just copy and paste it into there, and then it will take you to the landing page. Put your name, email, and number if you want live trading updates. Click on that, and then you get the 5-day video course. Okay, really high quality material, make you understand this entire framework. From there, will guide you what else to watch to get your understanding and clarity much more better. Right, next. So what else are we having? Price structural failure here on the British pound. Downtrend phase 1 at the moment, as I said. Wait for bottom to confirm on daily before taking this towards the downside even more further. Okay, so that's all we'll be taking a look at. Monthly is also correlating towards the downside. Okay, it's a compression at the moment, if I'm not wrong. Let me just take a look at that very quickly. Yeah, it is a compression if you can take a look. All right, so that's what we are having on the cable, right? As of now. Now let me just put it back on weekly time frame again. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. Now let's move on further in terms of taking a look on euro dollar here, traders. Euro dollar, as of now, you can see again, bottom got taken out. This is a downtrend phase 1, variation 1, taken out, waiting for daily and weekly bottom to confirm, waiting for this to confirm. Also, if you look at the trade guide, price trigger lines coming in, potential buying is happening as well. Most of the time, our indicators will correlate together. That's why we do a lot of work together at Master the Markets and Trade Guider team. You can see for considering continuation moves. So we'll wait for this to confirm first before taking towards the downtrend phase 1 as well. Okay, and that's what we got here. And then here we are correlating that for the previous moves that we took on euro dollar. Right, S&P on the other hand, traders. So what are we taking a look here? Over here on the weekly, we're waiting for this bottom to confirm before taking a shorter trade. Or in other words, also we can take a look on the daily bottom to confirm before we take a top. That's what I'm saying. So we can wait for top to confirm on daily. So if I go on the daily time frame, wait for this bottom to confirm. Did the bottom confirm actually? Yes, it did. So wait for top to confirm before taking the low out on the weekly time frame. Okay, so that's what we'll be taking a look on here on the S&P. That's what we will be taking a look at. But remember, I think we did had some messages, indicating that, the indexes are going to sell off or whatsoever. What we are really seeing is just taking levels on price structural level breaks, and then we look at our exit level points. Okay, remember, sometimes, like what Peter Brand said, our strong opinions are weakly held. If the price does not move in our favor, we'll be exiting them very quickly and immediately. Okay, and reversing our positions. So we never really stick onto any directions as per se. Right. In terms of Brent oil, at the moment this is a weekly phase 2, as you can see over here, right? And then we are also waiting for weekly confirmation bar low to be taken out here, right? 83.20. And then we wait for daily bottom to confirm before taking phase 1 weekly turning point trades. Okay, so that's what we're taking a look on Brent oil at the moment, traders, right? So we're taking in terms of the trend movement. Remember that we have a structured framework that we follow, and then we allow the law of numbers to take over, to override the losses that we may take in there, right? Just like what we showed you on gold just now. So on the daily time frame, you can see again that's a UTP2. Wait for bottom to confirm before taking P1 weekly turning point trades. Okay, so we'll wait for that. Just quickly going to take a look at the 4-hour. What's happening here? The 4-hour did confirm. We'll wait for that to come and do a retest before taking that position further. Now, in terms of Dow Jones, the final one that we are taking a look at, traders did take a look at this quite a bit today. We have an open position. We are taking long on this. What we are really doing over here is the order details where we are entering on the 4-hour here, 3311, 111, and 32810 is our stop loss target to be confirmed. We are entering on the lower time frame to capture a weekly P1 turning point. So this is a phase 2 weekly P1 turning point we're going to be taking a look at. But we got to be cautious of the monthly compression that is happening also at the moment. So because of that, we might get out a bit more earlier. What do I mean? Monthly compression, as you can see over here, this is what we are taking a look at. Okay, that's the lower high over here. So just because of that, we'll be a bit cautious of riding this a bit more longer. Okay, so we'll wait and see how this plans out to be. But as of now, we are taking this long. As I said, our directions are only valid up to exit points, right? So then after that, we take it out. So that's what we are taking a look over here. And on the daily, just confirmed as of yesterday. So 4-hour bottom has become a daily bottom. Now waiting for this to carry on to go further up. Then for the weekly bottom to confirm. Okay. I guess that's pretty much that, traders, from us in terms of this weekly trading session update. As I mentioned before, to get a better understanding of our ideas in the cycle framework and the smart money framework, we're going to be talking more about this on the STA, the Society of Technical Analysis. Tomorrow we've been invited to come and speak over there. If you guys can join us, that'd be great. We'll see you guys there as well. And what I would say is for you guys to start off with the Trader Starter Pack, right? And then once you register for that, we'll guide you on what are the other 2 video series that you can also take a look at to get a really good understanding of cycle frameworks. We always believe that the first two things you always need to do is understand which part of the cycle you are in, and define your trend and define your phase. Very important. And when you correlate it across different time frames, then your clarity will improve on what direction you want to take and how long you want to hold your positions for. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.